you able to guess that it was the LEGO Technic Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 set? This is a set that I thought was pretty cool because it's not too expensive and not too inexpensive. It's a car, I think it retailed for about $40 when it first came out. I like the color because it actually reminds me of the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, and it has these working pistons. Like when it's moving, you can sort of see them. There's 4 on each side. But that's pretty much it for the set. I mean, you can't really, the doors aren't open, the steering wheel doesn't turn the front wheels. One other thing about the set is that there is an alternate build for it. So, you know, if you do get bored, you have the ability to turn it into a different kind of car by following instructions online. I think this is a perfect intro set to Technic cars. So if you really like this kind of set, then you can probably start gradually moving into the larger, more expensive, more complex sets. Maybe before you know it, you'll be doing those supercars that are 1x8. We are supposed to get a McLaren supercar this summer. All right. Hope you enjoyed this Guess the Set. We'll catch you next time.